Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Kadence guitar tuner. First, power on your Kadence tuner by pressing its button. Then, clip it firmly onto your guitar's headstock. Make sure the display faces you so you can easily see the readings. This simple setup ensures accurate tuning from the start, getting you ready to play quickly and efficiently. Now let's tune each string. Pluck your low E string firmly. The tuner will show the note and whether it's sharp or flat. Slowly turn the corresponding tuning peg. If the note is flat, tighten the string. If it's sharp, loosen it. Aim for the needle to be perfectly centered, indicating the correct pitch. Repeat this for all 6 strings. Understanding the tuner's display is key. The large letter tells you the note being played, like E, A, D, G, B, or high E. If the needle is to the left and shows a flat symbol, your string is too loose. If it's to the right with a sharp symbol, it's too tight. When the needle is in the middle and the display turns green, your string is perfectly in tune. For the best results, always tune in a quiet space to minimize background noise. When adjusting, it's generally better to tune up to the correct pitch rather than down. If you go past the note, loosen the string below the pitch and then tune back up. Regularly check your tuning, especially during longer practice sessions, to keep your guitar sounding great.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.